Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we showcase various farm and agricultural practices. Today we will be taking you on a tour of a hen farm. Hen farms are an essential part of the agriculture industry and provide us with an abundance of eggs every day. The hen house. Our hens live in a spacious, well-ventilated hen house with plenty of natural light. We keep the temperature just right to ensure their comfort and health. Our hens have access to fresh water and high-quality feed at all times. Free range access. We believe in allowing our hens to roam free and enjoy the great outdoors. That's why we provide them with a sense to outdoor area where they can scratch, pick, and forage to their heart's content. Our hens are free to come and go as they please, and we believe this makes for happier, healthier birds. Egg collection. Our hens lay their egg in specially designed nesting boxes that are cleaned and sanitized regularly. We collect the eggs by hand and ensure they are fresh as possible. We then sort eggs. Thanks for joining us on this tour of our hen farm. We hope you have enjoyed learning about our commitment to producing fresh, high-quality eggs in a humane and sustainable way. If you have any question or comments, please let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the great content.